Hello everyone, for today's videos, I would like to present to you guys our Laboratory 6 Building and Optimizing Naive-Bayes Classifier. So let's get started.
Laboratory 6 Building and Optimizing a Naive-Bayes Classifier. So before we start, in this laboratory exercise, we build and optimize a naive-Bayes classifier to predict the onset of diabetes using the PEMA Indians diabetes dataset. So in the first code, mount Google Drive and load dataset. So imports are required libraries. Drive is used to access your Google Drive and OS helps with file operations. So the next one is mount Google Drive. So mount your Google Drive so you can access files stored there. And the next one is list in your Google Drive. So list all the files in the specified folder to confirm that the dataset exists and accessible. So on the next code is import libraries for dataset handling and visualization. So import essential libraries like NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation and Matplotlib and Seaborn for plotting. So defines the columns names for dataset, and since the CSV file has no header, reads the dataset using Pandas assigning the defined columns names, and display the first five rows of dataset and verify it loaded correctly. So in the next one is define features and labels. So X and Y, the X is the dataset and Y is the dataset also. X all columns except outcome, and the Y is the outcome column 0 or 1. Then the next one is the split data into training and testing scalar model selection. So first one is the import the function to split data and split data into 80% training and 20% testing sets. And the next one is print the shape of training and testing dataset to confirm the split. Um, the next code is the tree naive Bayes model. So from Scalar naive Bayes, import the Gaussian naive Bayes model. And initialize and trains the model using training data and predicts the outcome from the test and prints the first 10 predictions. This next code is evaluate the model. From Scalar Tricks imports accuracy import function to evaluate the model. So calculates the prints and accuracy score and generates the prints confusion matrix to see how many predictions were correct and incorrect. And print precision recall and F1 score for each class. And the next one is the visualize confusion matrix. Creates a heat map to visualize represent the confusion matrix. And the next one is the optimize the model using grid search CV. So using import NumPy as an NP from scalar model selection. So import grid search CV and NumPy for hyperparameter tuning. And next one as define a range of values for the bar smoothing parameter important in GNB numerical stability and perform grid search with a 5 folds across validation to find the best bar smoothing value. So print the parameter and the corresponding cross-validate accuracy. So and the best next one is evaluate the tune model. Use the best model from grid search to make prediction and prints to improve accuracy in the tuning.
So that's all for today's guys. So thank you for watching.